the degree of pain and suffering that people are going through is really hard to imagine. Things are really getting more complicated and more killing every day. We thank God that He gave the church this power and this strong stand that never lost the vision of the goodness of our God and His sovereignty. In the midst of the darkness that's going on, we can see some light of good news. And this is what is really encouraging the church. We are very encouraged to see many people coming to know the Lord. And the church itself is coming together as one body, standing together in prayer. We appreciate all the prayers and all the support from all the churches over the world. And we really ask for everybody to stand with us. Stand with us, pray for the church, just to keep this vision clear that the Lord is doing His work. The hard thing is that for the past 2 years, we never seen any good signs. It's the other way around. Things are developing to the worse. We just trust the Lord that He can turn things around and use the church at this time and at this day in the history of our country to really make a difference in the lives of people, make an eternal impact on the country and on churches in the country. We really appreciate everybody's support and prayers, and we are keeping on trusting the Lord. Thank you.